So for the sequential counting technique, we would do something like this. If we pick one item from a group of M items and one item from a group of N items, then the total number of ways to pick an item from each group is M times N. So the sequential counting technique if we pick one item from a group of M items and one item from a group of N items, then the total number of ways to pick one item from each group is M times N ways. That's kind of the textbook definition of sequential counting technique. So I might say also, for this counting technique, you pick items from different groups. You pick one item from however many groups you have from each group. You multiply the numbers together of how many ways those items could be picked from each group. Here's an example. This one I'm going to work two different ways for you. A man has 3 shirts, and they are purple, gold, and white, and 2 pairs of pants, the pants, he has a plaid pair and a pair of jeans. So the question is, in how many ways can he pick one shirt and 1 pair of pants? And by the time I wrote the problem, you've already solved it 10 times in your head, right? What's the answer? 6. So I'll write solution. You're going to hear me call these blank problems. If I say this is a blank problem, it means we're going to set up some blanks. In the blanks, write the number of ways each item could be selected. So the first blank is a shirt. The second blank is the pants. And in shirts, he has 3 choices. And in pants, he has 2 choices. And you'll do 3 times 2 and get 6. So a year or so ago, a student came to my office and said, well, why are you multiplying? why don't you add? And the why we multiply, I'll show you I'll work this problem again, and I'll show you, we're going to write out all the choices, and you'll see that multiplying works.